Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gam's Delicacy restaurant in Guwahati, Assam. Indeed, it was an amazing and joyous experience for a foodie like me to have the privilege of visiting Gam's Delicacy restaurant for the very first time today, the 16th of October 2023, and have the best choice of tasting traditional Assamese authentic cuisines that was served in a bronze thali. My most favorite thalis includes a wide range of scrumptious, a kash with pork and fish. In both the thalis comes a complete item of tasteful choha rice, yellow and black dal, vegetable herbs and vegetable fry, local fish, pork curry, patot dia fish and pork, garoi mazor, patika, kheer and more that serve to my heart's content, what it paying a moderate cost of rupees 500 per thali. Yes, there are times when we prefer sitting at home and ordering some delicious foods, and there are times when we just wanted to go out and dine in a restaurant. Thanks to the growing numbers of home delivery restaurants where you can now easily order your favorite foods from the comfort of your home, whether you are craving a delicious and chilled cake on a hot summer afternoon or some fried snacks on a rainy evening. The restaurants will fulfill your orders within a short span of time. The restaurants also help you save time and serve scrumptious food if you have unannounced guests. Gam's Delicacy restaurant in Guwahati is an excellent choice when it comes to picking a restaurant that provides home delivery services and also offers a number of services such as dine-in. This restaurant, Gam's Delicacy restaurant, was established way back in the year 2011 in Guwahati. It is one of the top player in the category of home delivery restaurants within the city. This well-known establishment acts as a one-stop destination, servicing customers both local and from other parts of Guwahati or northeastern states. Over the course of its journey, this business had established a firm foothold in its industry. The belief that customer satisfaction is as important as the products and services have helped this establishment garner a vast base of customers which continues to grow by the day. This business employs individuals that are dedicated towards their respective roles and put in a lot of efforts to achieve the common vision and larger goals of the company. In the near future, this business aims to expand its line of products and services and cater to a larger client base. In Guwahati, this establishment occupies a prominent location in Gajuk. It is an effortless task in commuting to this establishment as there are various modes of transport readily available, as it is located at Highway 37, just the opposite of Maniram Devon Trade Center, which make it easy for the first-time visitors in locating this establishment. It is known to provide top services in the following categories such as moderate restaurants, biryani restaurants, fast food counters, multi-cuisines restaurant, Punjabi restaurants, Indian restaurants, Chinese and moderate fast food, ranging from 500 to rupees 1000. Gam's Delicacy restaurant in Kachuk has a wide range of products or services to cater to the varied requirements of the customers. The staff at this establishment are courteous and prompt at providing any assistance. They readily answers any queries or questions that you may have paid for the products or service with ease by using any of the available modes of payment such as cash, MasterCard, Visa card, debit cards, credit cards, and more. This establishment is functional from 11 a.m. in the morning to 10:30 at night.